In a matter of a few days, we've had three big correction. I mentioned last week that huge candle that I called Black Swan event. I even saw someone commenting that the Black Swan event is something that happened globally, and I understand. But for crypto, that was a Black Swan event, like we've seen in 2012, 2014. So I understand that doesn't apply for the whole stock market and global markets, but for crypto, we can call it that way. But anyways, after that, we have two back-to-back corrections, especially on Ethereum. Ethereum fell a lot twice in one day after the other. Of course, the last one wasn't as strong, but that, spoiler alert, got me liquidated as well another week. So 2 weeks back-to-back liquidated. Not extremely happy about it, but it is what it is. Anyways, now we have picked up. We see a lot of block orders, we see the RSI, all the indicators showing that we have a lot of strength now going up again. So are we going to test Bitcoin all-time highs again? Who knows? But the only thing we know is that so far we should have a good week. So let's take a look at our options. Let's take a look at some data and analyze how we could see crypto markets on the Friday. So let's jump right into it. So we have Bitcoin at 98,255 and Ethereum at 3718. So all of them are going up in the past 24 hours. And you can clearly see by looking at the charts right here, this one was that huge wick, the 15-minute wick Black Swan event on December 5th. And we had two back-to-back huge candles right here that had huge wicks on the upside and huge wicks on the downside. You see the correction was very, very fast, both on the upside corrected below and the downside corrected above. But this correction got us bullish on the RSI. We should start to look again at the top of the RSI. Maybe we're going to test again the Bollinger close to the $100,000. Who knows? We just have to wait and see. For Ethereum, things are not as different. The wick on December 5th wasn't as strong, but you can see that the one on December 9th and on December 10th, we had these huge candles here. Huge wick on December 9th and December 10th was just a huge red candle that did not correct and is starting to correct again to what it was a few days ago. So that being said, if we take a look below right here, our Ethereum leap that expires this December is back at 90,000. So it reached 80K there. And we also have the 2800 that fell again. This went above 100%. Now it is back below 100%. And we have the 70,000 for Bitcoin, 110% so far. We have just the Bitcoin here open so far, 2.75%. And if we look right here at the trade history, I got liquidated once more for another 300 bucks lost. I'm not very happy about this, but it is what it is. Lesson learned. So if we look at liquidations right here, you can see in the past 24 hours, $500 million liquidated. Of course, most of these were longs that got liquidated at the bottom, and now we most likely will see more shorts getting liquidated as we go back up. So looking at the heat map, you can see for Bitcoin in the 3 days range, we have a very heavy top side, meaning that liquidation most likely is going to happen here at the 98,900. Then we're going to look for the 100K. If we switch here to the 24 hours, you can see this even better. Look at how dense it is right above right here. Look at how dense. There's a lot of positions here, but you don't really know what these positions are. But if we look right here at the Bitcoin liquidation map, you can see that the orange candles are 100x leveraged. Then we have the yellow at 50, we have the purple at 25, and the light blue at 10. There's a lot of 100x positions ready to be liquidated. The next one is just right now at 98 to 15. So this one should be liquidated fairly soon because these positions are leveraged a lot. 100, maybe 200, even sometimes even 200x we can leverage, for example, on other platforms. This is going to create a squeeze, and most likely we're going to be looking right here at the 102, maybe $104,000 for Bitcoin. And on Ethereum, we actually see even bigger 100x positions right at the 4,400. So again, another place where we could be looking at liquidations, because the market always tries to wipe out people. The market does not play around. It is mean. So it will try to liquidate these positions that are close by, and then this should create a movement to liquidate everything else. I don't know if it has the strength to reach all the way up here, but maybe to get around the 3,800 or 3,900, we could see that happening. So beware of what you have on short positions for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And now we have a new price range that we have to hold. Bulls have to hold this to look at the 100K again, which is right around the 97 to 98,000. So high 97s, 97.6, 97.8. We have here a place that could act as a support if we hold this right now to look back up to the $100,000. Yesterday, Microsoft did not approve, the board did not approve the treasury or part of the treasury, I believe it was 5% of the treasury, to be in Bitcoin. So they don't want to have anything to do with Bitcoin. I think they're going to regret that choice. They're just scared that the market will correct once more right now and they're buying in at the top. But I believe that this is something that they could regret in the future. Even Saylor says that everyone buys Bitcoin at the price they deserve it. So who knows? We have also new ideas from traders and analysts saying that now the sweet spot will be around the 88,000 to 90,000 to enter, because they believe that this will be the correction before it bumps back up above the $100,000. Again, $88,000 would be a lot lower than I expected. I think 92 would be the number for it to go to correct and then bounce back up. But who knows? Maybe I don't see what these traders here see. So we just have to keep an eye and be ready, have cash in hand to buy more Bitcoin when these dips happen, because most likely these dips are just for you to get in, your last opportunity for you to get in before the 100K. So that being said, let's keep looking at our positions. Hopefully we're going to have a bullish week and bullish weekend, so our leaps and our options can make us money. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications here in the video so you don't miss when the next video comes. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys on Friday. Take care.